So just more terminology, and you understand the concept already, the concept. But one customer here can be related with many rental transactions. That's infinity, sideways 8, because it just goes on forever, right? It's infinity. And one movie can be rented many times. Okay, so this between customers and rentals, that's a one-to-many. One customer can be involved in many rental transactions. Between movies and rentals, that's one-to-many. One movie can be rented many times. Okay, totally obvious. But this is the terminology that we use to talk about it, and you're going to see this in the book. So it's better if you get like the easy explanation of it, because sometimes books can be obtuse in the way they explain things. And then between customers and movies, we would say that's a many-to-many relationship. One customer can rent many movies. One movie can be rented by many customers. So if we were to look at how are customers and movies related, that's many-to-many. And when you have many-to-many, you want to break it up with a transaction table so it becomes one-to-many, one-to-many. Just like what we've done, no big deal. And then sometimes there's a one-to-one relationship. So if we wanted to store customer credit card number right here, we might bring that out into its own table, because we're going to have to do special stuff if we're storing credit card number. We're going to have to encrypt that. We're going to have security measures on it. Only certain people get access to it. We're going to lock that down, right? That's not going to be, even for our devs, there's going to be like 1 or 2 devs that could deal with that table. They will have permissions to it. Everybody else, no access. Because if something goes wrong, we only want to talk to 1 or 2 people. We don't want to have to look at our room of 30 devs and say, what happened, right? And so we might take credit card, would be a good idea, put it in its own table, and that would probably actually be one-to-many. So just like we did with phone number, we could associate multiple credit cards with a customer. Maybe we're going to store social security number for each customer. That's going to be one-to-one. Each customer will have one social security number, right? That'll be one-to-one. So that's just how we think about, like, how is this data connected? One-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. You'll see that in the book. So that's just another concept to be aware of.